The right tools can transform the way you work with wood. Today, we're diving into 10 game-changing new releases from Kreg that are designed to push your projects to new heights. From furniture making and weekend DIY builds to fine-tuning your workshop layout, each of these tools is engineered for speed, accuracy, and ease of use. Read on to explore the cutting-edge lineup from Kreg that serious woodworkers everywhere are talking about. Workshop space is rarely generous, and the Kreg portable work surface is built with that reality in mind. Equally at home in a garage, office, or living room, it brings reliable workspace versatility to any environment. The ultra-flat MDF top provides a consistent surface for precise work, while GripX anti-slip cords keep materials from shifting during detailed tasks. Precision-machined 3/4-inch dog holes offer a wide range of clamping configurations, and 4 leveling feet add clearance for cutting and clamping underneath. When it's time to pack up, the built-in handle conveniently doubles as a holder for a screw container. Practical, portable, and surprisingly capable. Nobody wants a clunky clamp getting in the way mid-project. The Kreg Inline clamp solves that problem with a streamlined, low-profile build that applies lateral pressure while keeping your work area open. It delivers up to 250 pounds of force and handles corners, curbs, and flat surfaces with equal confidence. A 1/4-inch peg slots neatly into the Kreg Mobile Project Center or any standard bench dog hole, making it adaptable across different setups. The wide, easy grip dial lets you fine-tune pressure without fuss, and rotating the clamp redirects force precisely where it's needed. Compact, capable, and cleverly designed, this is the kind of clamp that quietly becomes indispensable.
Speed and adaptability are the hallmarks of the Kreg VersaGrip clamps. The movable, reversible clamp head glides along the bar for quick, precise, and repeatable positioning on any project. Soft, removable pads protect your workpiece surfaces from marks, while the ergonomic handle and easy-release trigger make one-handed operation comfortable and efficient. With 300 pounds of clamping force on tap, it handles heavy-duty work without hesitation. An included adapter makes it fully compatible with Kreg's 300 series XL and micro pocket hole jigs, and it doubles as a spreader when needed. Available in 4 lengths, the VersaGrip is a true, flexible, hard-working addition to any toolset. Every workshop deserves a dependable centerpiece, and the Kreg Universal Bench delivers. Its 1.5-inch thick hardwood butcher block top is ultra-flat, tough, stain-resistant, and simple to wipe clean after a long build session. The generously sized surface makes clamping straightforward, and optional precision dog holes expand your holding options further. Adjustable legs accommodate heights between 32.5 inches and 40.5 inches, while optional shelves, cabinets, and drawers let you tailor the bench to your exact workflow. Whether you're assembling, sanding, or just laying out a complex project, this bench handles the demands of real work. Available in 4 sizes, it's a true foundation for any serious workspace.
Hauling full-size plywood sheets solo is awkward, exhausting, and often risky. The Kreg panel carrier makes single-person sheet handling safe and straightforward. It automatically adjusts to panels up to 3/4-inch thick, and grip mask pads hold even delicate veneered surfaces without leaving a mark. The padded ergonomic handle keeps your hands comfortable, and the clamping mechanism actually tightens as the load increases, so there's no chance of a slip. From pulling sheets off storage racks to positioning them for cuts, this tool removes the stress from one of the most physically demanding parts of any shop workflow, a genuine backsaver. Clean, accurate crosscuts and miters are within reach with the Kreg Crosscut Station. This portable cutting station pairs with your circular saw, effectively turning it into a precision miter saw capable of handling boards up to 12 inches wide. Adjustable guide rails accommodate virtually any saw, guaranteeing perfect 90-degree cuts without guesswork. Hold-down clamps keep boards firmly in position, and the shortcut backboard shows exactly where the blade will land before you make the cut. Extendable support wings manage longer boards with ease, and the whole unit is lightweight, compact, and built from impact-resistant materials for lasting durability. For DIYers and woodworkers who want precise cuts on a budget, this is a serious upgrade. The Kreg Bar Clamps bring a smart engineering to everyday clamping tasks. Available in 8, 16, and 24-inch lengths, they cover the full spectrum from small detail work to large assemblies. AutoMax Auto Adjust technology eliminates the need to stop and recalibrate between materials. Just slide, squeeze, and the clamp self-adjusts to the right pressure. A rigid I-beam construction prevents deflection even under significant load, while removable pads keep workpiece surfaces scratch-free. A thumb screw gives you precise manual control over clamping force when needed. If you're ready to stop fighting with your clamps and start trusting them, these are worth a serious look. Built for woodworkers who demand the best from their joinery tools, the Kreg Pocket Hole Jig 720 Pro raises the bar in every way. AutoMax dual-action clamping lets you secure and adjust to material thickness in a single fluid motion, cutting setup time dramatically. The Grip Max anti-slip surface locks your workpiece in position, eliminating movement and delivering clean, consistent pocket holes. A robust steel frame and durable polymer body are built for long-term heavy-use environments. The included Kreg docking station adds extra support, stability, and integrated storage for bigger projects. With adjustable material wings, built-in dust collection, and a full suite of premium accessories, the 720 Pro makes pocket hole joinery faster and more reliable than ever before.
Getting corners perfectly square the first time saves rework and frustration. The Kreg 90-degree corner clamp holds pieces at an exact 90-degree angle, giving you free hands to drive fasteners without anything shifting. The cast aluminum wedge and V-shaped body lock materials firmly in position, and edge stops ensure everything stays flush and properly aligned. AutoMax technology automatically compensates for varying material thicknesses, removing the need for constant manual adjustment. Clearance points allow screw driving or brad nailer use right through the clamp. Compatible with both Kreg pocket hole joinery and traditional assembly methods, it's a reliable, no-nonsense solution for cabinets, boxes, and shelving. Repetitive crosscuts on a miter saw shouldn't require a tape measure every single time. The Kreg Precision Track and Stop system eliminates the guesswork with a setup that's fast, accurate, and repeatable. 3 simple steps: align, place, cut, deliver perfectly square results consistently. The system includes 2 adjustable stops, 4 track sections, and measuring tapes to build a configuration that fits your workflow. Detailed shop-made support wing plans round out the package, ensuring you're ready for both small and large stock. If consistency and speed matter in your workflow, this system is a straightforward and worthwhile investment. That wraps up our roundup of the top 10 exciting new Kreg tools for woodworkers. Thanks for reading. If this was useful, share it with fellow builders and craftspeople in your circle. Follow along for more tool reviews, project guides, and workshop tips coming your way.
Thanks for watching our videos. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.